Oh, here we go. Hold a second. I just noticed it is here already. This is our D.T.D.C. machine. Yeah, we just pause it here. Pause it here, and the wet mill after extractor is dropped into the pre-delamination through the wet mill scraper and the cell strangle. The pre-delamination function is used to the mixed steam and interlayer indirect steam of the lower layer to preheat the wet mill and remove a small amount of the solvent so as to prevent excessive water vapor condensation in the mill when the direct steam or mixed steam of high temperature in the following layers contacts with the low temperature wet mill, resulting in the phenomenon of wet mill agglomeration. The preheated mill enters the self-streaming layer, in which the wet mill is in direct contact with the mixture of solvent steam and water steam from the lower layer, and the heat of the mixed steam is used to heat the wet mill, and the indirect steam in the bottom interlayer of the desolubilizing layer is also used to heat the wet mill, and the multi-layer of the desolubilizing layer is to get the full play to the self-streaming effect. Hey, welcome to the live stream. I have already sent you about our business card for you. If you do want to know more, just let me know. This is our D.T.D.C. evaporate. For the D.T.D.C., it is mainly divided into 4 different process layers: pre-delamination, delamination, direct vapor layer, and energy saving layer. For the first one, it is a pre-dissolving layer, is also called the tray layer. Usually it is for 1 to 4 layers, and the main function is to preheat the wet mill properly, remove the solvent to reduce the moisture in the mill. And the second one is about the decolorization layer, is also known as the self-steaming layer. It is for 3 to 4 layers, and the main function is to bake the mill and remove the solvent from the mill. The mill is heated by indirect steam in the bottom interlayer and a mixture of gases passing through the mill. And the third one is about the direct steam layer, also known as the baked mill layer. High material layer, the solvent in the mill was stripped by direct steam to remove the urease. And the last one is about the baking layer, also known as the energy saving layer, or some people will call it like the flash layer. Baking layer is located under the direct steam layer, and this is a vacuum device. The main purpose is to recover and utilize the residue steam of the direct steam stripping mill. Each layer is equipped with a pair of steering fans, in addition to the pre-delamination through the normal opening door, and the other layers through the rotary valve or winch control discharge and material sealing. If you guys do want to know more detailed information for this D.T.D.C. machine, just easily put your question in the comment to let me know that you do interested about it.